Hi guys, this is the Punjabi chef Prateek and the recipe I'm going to create today belongs to our neighboring country. Though they are famous for biryani and kebabs, but the recipe belongs to the street. So guys, join me and let's prepare Pakistani style Dhaba Chicken Curry. So let's start cooking. To start the dhaba recipe, first I'm going to take a pot, switch on the gas, add oil. With that, also I'm going to add little ghee, which will enhance the flavor of the dish. Once the oil starts heating up, I'm going to add ginger garlic paste, saute it for a minute. After sauteing it for a minute, now I'm going to add the chicken pieces and saute the chicken with the ginger garlic paste for at least 5 minutes. After cooking the chicken for 5 minutes, now I'm going to add sliced green chili and cook for 2 more minutes. Next, I'm going to add 2 sliced onions and cook till it gets nice golden brown. As the onion and chicken are slightly brown in color, now I'm going to add tomato and cook till it gets a mushy texture. After getting a mushy texture from the tomatoes, now I'm going to add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, salt and black pepper powder. Now I'm going to add some water to the chicken so the masala doesn't get burned and cook the masala till the rawness of the masala is completely gone. Once the masala is properly cooked, now I'm going to add little yogurt to the masala. This will give a nice velvety texture once the gravy is ready. Now that the chicken is 75% cooked, next I'm going to add little cream which will add richness to the gravy. After adding cream, lower the heat and cover and cook for at least 5 minutes. There you go guys, our chicken is almost cooked and the gravy is thick and rich. Now I'm going to add little butter to the gravy. This will add richness and flavor to the gravy. And again I'm going to close the lid and cook it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. The chicken is almost ready and the oil has started separating from the sides. Now I'm going to add good amount of chopped fresh coriander. Mix it nicely with the gravy and cook for 2 more minutes. And our Pakistani Dhaba Chicken Curry is ready. Let's start plating. For garnish, I'm going to put juliennes of ginger, juliennes of tomato and torn pieces of mint. And there you go guys, our Pakistani Dhaba Chicken Curry is now ready. So guys, I hope you enjoyed me making this rich Pakistani Dhaba Chicken Curry. Do try making this at home and do let me know how it turned out. This is your Chef Prateek signing off. Take care and goodbye.